Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online, tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade. Hey, let's talk about a trade that we had in that GrokStar room this morning on JKS, actually two of them. Here was JKS at opening, where it went kaboom, went rocketing up, and then was pulling back. Where did it pull back to? Right to this big red line here we call big red, the 200 period moving average on this 1 minute chart. And it's starting to roll around. However, there's got this pivot line here, which can also be support and resistance. So if it broke out above that and a bull pullback, I wanted to be long, set my trade, and let's see what happened next. Boom, there it goes, and I got long at $24.90 on long JKS. And then as you can see, it proceeded to rocket right up there. So I'm pulling my stop up here, and it's now beyond break even because that's up over 1%. And we're pulling it up underneath that 8 EMA there, and bam, it pulled right down underneath the 8 EMA and stopped me out in just a matter of about 7 minutes for 1.4%. But that's not, story's not over yet. Now let's see, we got a little patience here, and we're going to watch it, and it's forming now what we call a symmetrical triangle. If you want to know more about a symmetrical triangle, you can go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com, right here to the chart school. It's free, and here's a description of that, and then here is a picture of that. Now this one, we have a symmetrical triangle breakdown and a symmetrical triangle breakout. I just happen to show the breakdown one here. It's really could go either way. So I was actually set to go either way on this trade. The market was at the time was high facing, not offering a direction either way. We set a long above and a short below, and we were ready to go. So let's see what happened next here. And boom, it just took off right here, and I got in at $25.69. And it started to rocket right up here, and it hit it now what filled the gap. See, it started down here, and this line right here is the closing line from last Friday, and it came right up to that. And so I want to keep a relatively tight stop, so I'm keeping it right behind that 8 EMA, and it hit that and fell like that over 1%, bam, and stopped me out at $25.63 for minus 0.2% in just 4 minutes. Oh well. Well, sometimes we win and sometimes we don't. We trade the breakout from the pattern, and it just did not work out this time. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember that these trading patterns work every single time, except when they don't. Trade well.